How to use a USB flash drive with an iPad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your USB flash drive to your iPad and then how to access the files once you do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first we need to look at our USB flash drive. And if it's a USB connector like this, called the Type A connector, we'll need to get an adapter. So I'll check the description, I'll have links down there, but it's going to be a Type A connector to Type C, and that's the plug that goes into your iPad. So all you need to do is plug in the USB hard drive, then plug it into your actual iPad. And once you have it plugged in, just scroll to the right and go to the app library and type files. Then in the left menu here, all you need to do is find the little drive icon right above recent deleted, select that, and then you are in your actual USB drive. All the files here are the ones that are on your USB drive. So you can open them up. You can also long press them and select move to then move them to your iPad or anywhere else. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.